So let's draw this. So I try to draw my straight line, the base. For the bigger one, I'll be using this, the lid of my pot to draw it. Alright. And for the smaller one, I'll be drawing it with this deep plate. There is water on it or in it, which is why I am cleaning it. So people can see it did not actually touch. So this is going up, going up. All right, so okay, done. The two circles, we are done drawing them. So remember, this is supposed to touch both. I'm going to redraw the straight line to ensure that it touches both of them. Both should be resting on the line. All right. Now we have this straight line. So we will draw that. All right. And then we have the center of this circle. Now, so let's assume this is the center. This is the center. This is the center. Let's assume. So we have this. So this is not actually giving me what I visualized, because in this drawing, the center is in line with where this particular line touched this circle. But you can see that in reality, it's not giving me that. And that is because maybe the circle of the lid is not completely correct. It's not really circle. So what I'll do is I'll find a way to ensure that it touches at least the parts that I want. So I just have to do it manually to achieve that. Because even though this is not the actual center, but at least my center should be somewhere here, right? So that means my P is supposed to come from here. And it's assumed it's assumed that this line is actually touching the particular place at P. Oh, I'm the one that made this mistake. Oh. Okay, okay. What should I do now? What should I do? What should I do? So this is how this looks like. We have a big circle, we have a smaller circle, we have a straight line. This line is touching this, but it's not actually, it's like this. So it's coming from inside of the circle towards the center, not actually from outside like I did drew it before. So as a result of that, I'll be redrawing this, my circle again. Trying to bring everything start afresh. So this is actually the drawing. We have a bigger circle, we have a smaller one touching the bigger circle. Smaller one touching the bigger circle. Both are on a straight line. Then the line coming from here is actually coming like this, going down. Then whatever it is that is supposed to come from the center. So all these things are what I will achieve by drawing the right this thing. So something like this. Meanwhile, this is supposed to be the center of the circle. So it's something like this. Alright, so we go again. Draw the first circle. Okay, then the smaller one, draw a straight line first. Then I'll draw the smaller circle. Draw the smaller circle. Okay. Now, here comes the main thing. Okay. So I think before that, let's get the center of this circle. And then, along the center, okay. So this is what we have, and we are assuming this to be the center of this bigger circle, and the center is 14 units. The center from here to here, the length of the diameter is 14 units, and that is it. Finally,